There are many products available to choose kitchen scales, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best kitchen scales from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Escali Primo Digital Food Scale. If you're committed to the world of measuring ingredients on a scale, you're going to want one that's user-friendly. It doesn't get more streamlined or easy to use than this colorful Escali model. Like most scales, it can measure up to 11 pounds and provides pound, ounce, and gram readings in 0.05-ounce increments. The buttons are sealed in case any liquid spills on them, and the large LED screen provides clear, easy-to-read measurements. Rose says her Escali scale is her most used kitchen tool, helpful both at home and in the bakery to save time and improve consistency. I have it in several colors and never bake without it, she says. I like this scale because it's relatively small and easy to use, plus it's super durable. A scale shouldn't be overly complicated. I prefer one that's easy to move around, especially when professional kitchens are notoriously tight spaces. Number 2. Amazon Basics Digital Kitchen Scale. If you're not looking to overspend on a kitchen scale purchase, this affordable option from Amazon is a popular choice. It doesn't offer all of the design features as some other models, but it's a reliable tool nonetheless. The clean LCD screen produces clear, visible readings, and is pointed slightly downward from the 6-inch wide circular platform. This means you can still see the screen when measuring into a large mixing bowl. The sturdy weighing platform can handle up to 11 pounds, and it's very easy to wipe clean. The scale can read measurements in both dry ingredients pounds, ounces, and grams, and liquid ingredients fluid ounces and milliliters, while the tare function allows you to reset the weight at any point during usage. We love its slim profile, as it takes up very little counter or storage space. Our tester found it easy to operate, with precise measurements across 5 tests. Number 3. Etekcity Digital Kitchen Scale. Etekcity's food scales have chic, classic designs at affordable price points. This particular scale can weigh items up to 11 pounds, and it has the capability to read in ounces, grams, fluid ounces, or milliliters. We like the glossy silver finish as a stylish addition to any kitchen and an easy appliance to clean, but it does come in other colors. During testing, we measured 0.25 cups of sugar across 5 trials with consistent results. The scale was off by 1 gram from what it should have measured, 49, rather than the accurate 50 grams. The digital display is small, making it slightly difficult to read from the side, but it is brightly backlit, which helps. This feature shuts off after 30 seconds of inactivity, so keep that in mind. During testing in our lab, this didn't bother us. We also like that the small grips on the bottom help the scale to not slide around while in use. Number 4. Etekcity Smart Nutrition Food Scale. This Bluetooth-enabled smart scale can be linked to an app in your smartphone and will not only provide a basic weight measurement, but it can also give 8 different nutritional stats, such as calories, fat, carbohydrates, and protein. If you use your scale for portion and nutritional measurements, this will make your life easier. The sleek stainless steel platform has the capability to measure up to 11 pounds in grams, ounces, or milliliters. The large LCD screen not only displays measurements, but it can also display nutritional macros once the scale is connected to the corresponding free app, Sync Fit. This app can sync with Apple Health and Fitbit. One advantage of this is, if the reading is obscured by your mixing bowl, you can confirm it on the app. We downloaded the app and synced it with our Fitbit. It was an easy download and provides robust nutritional information. Number 5. Weighgram Digital Pocket Scale. If you need something to measure lighter, smaller items like herbs, spices, or coffee, a pocket scale like this is a great tool to have in your drawer. It's super small and compact, making it easy to store and transport. We like this slim scale, which actually was smaller than a cell phone and easily fit in the pocket of our jeans. It is a basic model but performed accurately across all tests. We measured sugar, dried basil, and pepper, and the scale measured within 0.03-ounce margin of error each time. This model automatically shuts off after 1 minute of inactivity. The LCD blue backlit screen is easy to read, being backlit. There is a power button, tare button, and unit measurement button. The protective cover keeps the platform clean. However, the scale maxes out at 100 grams, so it's not effective for larger items. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.